Welcome. Today we'll evaluate the indefinite integral of x divided by x squared plus 1 dx using substitution. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's make a substitution. Looking at the denominator, let's let u equal x squared plus 1. Now we need to find do. If we differentiate u with respect to x, we get do equals 2x dx. Solving for dx, we get dx equals do over 2x. Now let's substitute these expressions into our original integral. We'll replace x squared plus 1 with u in the denominator, and replace dx with do over 2x. Look what happens. The x's cancel out in the numerator and denominator. Our integral simplifies to 1/2 times the integral of do over u. This is a basic integral that we know. The integral of 1 over u do is the natural logarithm of the absolute value of u plus c. Finally, we substitute back u equals x squared plus 1 to get our final answer. 1/2 times the natural log of the absolute value of x squared plus 1 plus c. Let's verify this is correct by looking at the steps we took. We made a substitution u equals x squared plus 1, found that do equals 2x dx, simplified our integral to 1/2 times the integral of do over u, and then integrated and substituted back. You can verify this answer by differentiating it. The derivative of our result should give us back the original integrand.